Hello, my name is Amanda Unruh, and I'm a Doctorate of Occupational Therapy student at Nova Southeastern University in the Sensory Processing Basis of Occupational Performance class. Today, I'll be going over what sensory integration is and what sensory processing disorders are and how they appear in one's life. So, sensory integration is also known as SI, and it's how our body organizes sensations to be used. Through touch, taste, smell, movement, gravity, and position, our bodies are able to organize the information that they are receiving. So when these sensations are organized efficiently, our body is able to form perceptions, learn, and form appropriate behaviors. Adaptive responses are important in sensory integration, and they are responses that are purposeful and goal-directed to a sensory experience, and they are important because they help our brain develop and learn and organize everything that's going on. So, when sensations are not organized well and the brain is unable to understand the sensation successfully, a problem occurs. And when this occurs, it's considered sensory integration disorder, known as SID, or a sensory processing disorder, known as SPD. So, children who have a sensory integrative disorder, they still will hit milestones like other children. It's just at a later stage, or it takes longer. So, in infancy, say a child will sit, crawl, creep, stand, walk, all that stuff. The child with SID will still do it. It's just going to take them longer. And in school-age children, say they are playing games, hopping, skipping, galloping, that type of stuff, the child with SID will look clumsy or unskillful compared to their classmates. And it's just that they are not able to organize all the sensations that they're taking in. So it makes them clumsy since their body is not able to operate as a whole and put all those sensations together. So hyper and hyposensitivity are also parts of SPD and SID. So when you are hyposensitive, that means you are going to need more of a stimulus in order to understand what's going on. And when you're hypersensitive, you are going to need less of that stimulus. So say you're using vestibular input. So the child who's hyposensitive is going to need a lot of swinging and movement to stay organized and alert or calm, or whatever is going on, compared to this child who's hypersensitive. They're going to need less of that stimulus to stay organized. It's important to remember when we're talking about sensory integration problems that every child is different and their signs and symptoms will present differently and they'll all have different struggles. And also that sensory integration disorder is not it's not caused by physical damage, and that children's responses who have this are more reflexive than behavioral. So say you're out at the store and you see a child acting out, it's important to remember that it can be more than just acting out, that this child is doing whatever they're doing and that's how their body's understanding what's going on. So it's more of a reflex than them just acting out. Thanks for watching.